Good morning, dear student. Now, today we are going to start a chapter Sectors of Indian Economy. In previous lecture, we have discussed about the sectors of Indian economy. There are three sectors of Indian economy can be classified into primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. And on the basis of working condition, economy can be classified into organized and unorganized sectors. Later on, we'll discuss in details about sectors, organized and unorganized sectors. And on the basis of ownership, Indian economy can be classified into public and private sectors. Now, we are going to discuss about primary sector in detail. The primary sector where economic activity is centered from extraction of raw material, जैसे from mine से इनसे हम raw materials निकालते हैं and we use it in different industries. So these are the example. And agriculture जिसमें different crop season, all agriculture activities are include. Forestry, those product we are collecting from the forest also comes under the primary sector. Fishing to related activity, mining or curing. Curing and mining, these are the two different words. Curing, when we remove the earth's surface and we use the ores or raw material, and mining means the in deep part of the earth. In India, agriculture is the biggest example of primary sectors. Forestry and fishing can be also two important example of this primary sector. This sector also known as the agriculture sector because maximum ratio include of the agriculture activity in primary sector. Maximum contribution of this activity including in primary sector. That's why agriculture sector also known as the primary sector. Next one is the secondary sector. Secondary sector, when the main activity involves manufacturing, then it is the secondary sector. When we use natural resources by help of technology, industries, manufacturing, we change natural product into other valuable product, that is known as the secondary sector. Like we are using the wheat change into the biscuit, these are the example of secondary sector. We are using the sugar cane crop change into the sugar, these are the example of secondary sector. All industries production where physical goods are produced come under the secondary sector. In the secondary sector of the national economy, natural ingredients are used to create the product and service that are constantly used for the consumption. It is used or consumed by us. This sector can be regarded as one that adds value to the product and service. इससे क्या होता है, in this sector when we modify the particular product तो it become a valuable, उसमें वैल्यूज़ ऐड हो जाती है. लाइक ए ओशन वाटर है फॉर एग्जांपल, देर इज नो सच वैल्यूज ऑफ ओशन वाटर, बट बाय हेल्प ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग थ्रू द इवोपरेशन वी चेंज इनटू द सॉल्ट, तो इट बिकम ए वैल्यूबल. तो दिस आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ सेकेंडरी सेक्टर. द मेजर एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस सेक्टर आर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग and This sector is also known as the industrial sector.